Hi all, let's see how to make sweet potato paratha without kneading the dough. First take 2 medium sized sweet potatoes. Boil the sweet potatoes until they are soft. You can peel and chop them before boiling or boil them whole and peel afterwards. After some time, prick with fork to check the sweet potatoes became soft. Remove the water and let the potatoes cool. Once the sweet potatoes are cool, peel the skin. Transfer the cool sweet potato into a mixing bowl and smash them. Take 1 onion, 1 carrot and coriander leaves. Grate the carrot. Finely chop onions and coriander leaves. To the smashed sweet potato, add carrot, add finely chopped onions, add finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix them well so that all the ingredients combine together. To the sweet potato mixture, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add half cup of ragi flour to the smashed sweet potato and mix well. Add salt as per your taste. Add finely chopped green chilies and mix well. Gradually add water as needed to form a liquid batter. Batter has to be thick so that you can spread easily on tawa. Heat dosa tawa and grease it with onion. Once tawa is hot, pour the liquid batter and spread it evenly. Spread oil on the edges.
3, 2, 1, go!
Cover it with the lid. After 5 minutes, open the lid and check whether paratha is cooked. Flip the paratha to other side and cook it for 5 minutes. Flip it occasionally so that paratha can cook evenly. Repeat the same with the rest batter. Tasty, delicious and healthy ragi sweet potato paratha is ready. Serve it hot with pickle or curd. Try the recipe and let me know in the comment section, guys. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, guys. Bye bye.